Hi there, students. A wraith. Also, the adjective wraith-like. Wraith-like's probably quite useful for your writings. Okay, a wraith is just a good word for a ghost. Yeah, a spirit, the spirit of the dead. Yeah, very often a wraith is believed to be the spirit of a dead person, or a spirit of a person that appears just before they die, something that is an omen of their death, something that is a harbinger of their death. That the wraith appears just before they die, or maybe as well just after, just too late. They say that a wraith is rather a vengeful spirit as well. Okay, so yeah, they say that the house is haunted by wraiths. Yeah, by ghosts, spirits, phantoms, apparitions. Yeah, okay, so a spectre. Yeah, a wraith. The child jumps here and there just like a wraith. Now notice wraith-like, yeah, as an adjective is probably more useful for you. Let's see. The wraith of a hollow laugh issued silently from his parted lips, from Scott Fitzgerald. So this is a very faint, something very insubstantial. Worry, lack of sleep and not eating had turned her into a wraith, had made her wraith-like. Yeah, his wraith-like figure what really shocked me after he had been ill. Yeah, her voice had a wraith-like quality. It was weak. Yeah, or maybe wraiths of mist rising into the sky. Okay, so a wraith-like, a wisp, a faint trace of something. Grey wraiths of smoke moving up into the air. Yeah, time had passed and he had become like a wraith. Yeah, he had become wraith-like, thin, pale, lacking in substance. Yeah, so you can use it metaphorically. I think if you're going to use it like this, it sounds rather literary. But the basic meaning of a wraith is the apparition of a person who of a ghost or a spectre that appears around the time of somebody's death. Yeah, the spectral figure, yeah, seen as a premonition just before that person's death, or maybe just afterwards. Notice a wraith is a visible spirit. It's one that you can see. His wraith-like fingers stroked the ring because it was his precious. Yeah, wraith-like. Okay, it's quite a good word like that. Yeah, something, a wraith, something insubstantial. She believed that she had seen wraiths from the afterlife, shades, spectres, ghosts, something like that. Okay, as to origin more complicated. There's a Middle Scottish word, sort of 16th century, wraith, which appears talking about the ghost. Although Tolkien, Lord of the Rings, his opinion was that it was linked with the word to writhe, to twist in pain or agony, and that could be linked to the Old Norse word Vorndur, a watcher or a guardian. Vorndur in Icelandic, a guard. So I don't know, a wraith, a guardian of the dead, or guardian to the door of the dead. I don't know, a wraith. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A wraith, wraith-like. a wraith-like figure, a wraith-like wisp of smoke.